Earning extra money based on your own time and conditions has never been easier. Whether you're looking for a side business idea that can turn it into a main source of income or just to earn extra income, the fastest way to make money online is with low effort, low commitment, and no investment. The ideas in this section are all about shortcuts to make money online. Hence, to start making money online as your mainstream income, click the link below to discover how you can make a full-time income online with little investment. 9. Participate in market research. Market research companies like to collect data on consumer trends and consumption habits so major brands can learn how to better market their products. This research is usually conducted through online questionnaires, and they're always looking for new survey participants. If you're being surveyed for the first time, we recommend that you start with Swagbucks. They currently offer a free $10 sign-up bonus, and they're the largest legal investigation website in the world. 8. Redeem the registration bonus. Want $15 for a few minutes? Of course you can. Fortunately, reward sites like Ebates and Dosh can achieve this goal. They're currently offering cash rewards for people to download apps. What are the gains? No, really. The above apps and other similar cashback apps can be used as affiliates of online merchants. Whenever you make a purchase through one of the apps, they'll get a small commission from the store, and then they return this part of the commission to you as a cashback. 7. Open a high-yield online savings account. Do you have money to deposit in a savings account with less than 0.09% interest? If so, or if you don't have a savings account at all, it may be worthwhile to spend a few minutes opening a high-yield online savings account. The reason is that because online savings accounts usually bring higher interest rates, which will help increase your funds faster. Many banks as well as other top companies in the industry offer savings account interest rates more than 20 times the national average. Online banks usually provide new customers with large one-time deposit bonuses. These deposit bonuses can be as high as $500, and the only requirement is to hold a minimum balance to unlock the bonus. Once the predetermined holding period expires, usually 1 to 3 months, you can withdraw your funds and the deposit bonuses you receive as well. 6. Make money online by watching videos. Earlier, I mentioned Swagbucks as a reputable survey site before, but it turns out that conducting surveys is not the only thing they have to pay you. You can also make money online with Swagbucks by watching short advertising videos on various topics, such as entertainment, news, sports, and much more. The offer includes a $10 application bonus for new users. Again, it may be fair to assume that you won't get rich by doing this, but setting up your phone and letting videos play in silence seems to be a very simple way to make money online. 5. Download the Nielsen app. Have you heard of Nielsen, a company that tracks TV ratings? It turns out that the data they collect is more than just TV. One area they really dabble in is internet use research. What does this mean to you? This means that Nielsen will pay you $50 per year to save their apps on your favorite internet browsing device. The application itself collects statistical information about your internet usage anonymously, so you don't need to worry about any data linked to you. 4. Try pruning. They say that every penny saved is a penny. When those coins were replaced by US dollars, the same adage seems much better. Although this next application itself doesn't make you money, its importance cannot be underestimated. Simply try Trim, an application that can save you hundreds of dollars. You hardly need to make any effort. How can this be? Well, Trim first looks at your monthly expenses and then looks for areas where you are overspending, such as unusually high bills or subscriptions that you forgot. You may be surprised to find that you're spending on things you don't need. The best part about Trim is that it can actually lower the bill. Once the app displays all the subscriptions you have spent, you can choose which subscription you want to cancel and Trim will do it for you. 3. Get paid test site. Website testers express their opinions on the website, including the design, quality, and ease of use of the website. This allows the company to make changes to its website in order to provide its users with a better experience and hopefully increase sales. 2. Become a freelance writer. The term hungry artist definitely does not apply here. Many successful freelance writers use their businesses to replace their full-time jobs. 1. Become a freelance proofreader. Use them incorrectly. Do they drive you crazy? Make the most of your eagle eyes by making money as a proofreader. Now it takes several weeks to learn the course material, and it may take several weeks to start acquiring customers, but talk about flexibility. From working at home and setting your own working hours to choosing your workload and setting your own rates, this was all about it. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like it and advise our channel. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section.